Okay, we got a 2013 Lexus RX350, also for the Edge hybrid as well, but this is a 2013. Need to get the front passenger side light changed out, light bulb. So we're going to try to walk through that. First thing, of course, we got this cover. Need to replace this or remove this cover here. It's got these little clips. Let's go on there. And the key about the clips, so that you can reuse them, you want to push down in the middle section for these. There are different types, but I noticed these, you push down in the middle, and then that allows you to pull them up and basically reuse them like so. So take this guy and just put it up here. There's another one here. You just listen for the pop, clip, and then you can pull it up. Okay, so a couple of those, and one more here. Okay, then that's a little clip here, a little hook, I think it is. To be conscious of that. See this little hook right there that goes into there, right? So when we go back in, we just want to make sure we hook that back on. So anyway, this is on the passenger side that I'm looking at. The driver would be similar, but you'll have to remove all of this casing to get to that bulb over there on that side. So let's look in here and see what we have. We're looking at the outer bulb that's not working. And of course, if you want to be super safe, unplug your battery. All right, no electrical short. But the lights are off here, so I don't anticipate any current coming through there. So again, let me see if I can get a little bit more light here. Okay, it's a little bit better. So now we can see kind of what's going on here. All right. And again, we want the outer one. This is the, yep, that's the outer guy. So this is the outer one. That's the innermost. So this guy here. I hope this is coming in right, so you guys can see that. Try to make this a little bit better for you. So yes. Let's see over here. This guy here. Not that. That's the very side, like signal light panel. This is the guy with this green latch on it, as opposed to this next one over. So counterclockwise, we generally want to turn these things. Here you got to press. Let's just press this down in and let's try to slide this. Twist it out. Okay, so yeah, it's a little tab, of course. Got to press in on a little bit hard, and then get that to come on out there. Okay. Check those wires, of course, the little pins in there. Make sure everything's okay. This should be where the bulb is, so let's try to twist this counterclockwise. And I'm going to slowly move that out. And he's no good. Okay, so we're just going to grab this out and go grab a new one and put it back in. You see the 3 slots there, the positioning of it. came out like that, so we're going to twist it back in when we get the new one. So give me a second. Okay, so it's the new bulb. It's got a little blue ring versus the other one that had an orange. And let's see, hopefully it's just a simple, see, again, that kind of turn it. We're going to go, we came out counterclockwise, so we're going to go back in and go clockwise. I'm just kind of filling the notches in there. Hopefully this bad boy, it's going to do right. That's a H11, by the way. There we go. I need to twist. It wasn't quite. Yeah, so I guess about that angle. So it's fitting in there pretty good now. And then I'm going to twist it to lock it. So now it's locked in there. Pretty good. And now we'll just put this clip back on. Push it up. Again, make sure it's stable in there. There's no cover or anything on this model. And that's pretty much it. And I need to just double check and make sure the light comes on after all of that minor work, and then we'll be good to go here. Okay. Should have did it before and after, but yeah, so that bulb was out on this one, and now he's working. It was previously out. That is it. Take my light, put the cover back on. Turn it the right way. And put your clips, again, remember the little hook piece there. Put our clips back in. Just push them in there. And that will be it. Just a quick little video to show it's not too bad to get those lights replaced. Need to make sure that clip, otherwise we'll get some new clips. Try this up here. Oh, it's better. This one goes. Try this one here. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. All right. Talk to you later.